Good morning. Hey, what are you doing? What you doing, Smiley? Ash? I'm taking your video.
No, you were taking my picture.
I'm taking a video so I can hear you talking too.
I'm full. That's it.
You're full and that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to do today?
Stay home.
And stay home?
Yeah. And give some cuddles.
Aw, get some cuddles?
Yeah.
That is too sweet. What do you think Ryder wants to do?
Get some cuddles with us.
All right.
Is that a good plan?
Yeah, do you love your brother? Yeah.
Well, first let me fix my eggs.
Okay. What kind of eggs are those?
Scrambled.
Hmm.
Can you hear me clicking in the radio?
Mm-hmm. Okay, eat your breakfast.
I am eating my breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, were you talking to Ryder?
Mm-hmm. What's he doing?
There's some and water.
Yeah.